UltraVPN is gaining attention for its features, but before you decide if it's the right choice for you, there are 12 important things you need to know. Stick around till the end as we compare it to other popular VPNs so you can make an informed decision. First off, UltraVPN offers a solid network of servers across 50 countries. While it's not as extensive as some competitors like ExpressVPN, it covers most major locations, giving you good flexibility for streaming and general browsing. Next thing, the connection speed. UltraVPN offers decent speeds, but it's not quite up to par with top-tier VPNs like NordVPN or CyberGhost. You can stream content in HD without issues, but for 4K streaming or large file downloads, you might see some slowdowns. The third thing to consider is the price. UltraVPN is often cheaper than its bigger competitors, like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, but this comes at the cost of fewer extra features, so it's more of a budget-friendly choice if you're just looking for basic protection. The fourth thing, when it comes to security, UltraVPN uses 256-bit AES encryption, which is the industry standard. However, it lacks some advanced security features like double VPN or onion over VPN, which you'll find with competitors like NordVPN. The fifth thing to know is that UltraVPN has a no logs policy, which means they don't store any of your data. However, it's worth noting that this is something many VPNs claim, so always look for third-party audits or transparency reports to back that up. Next thing, UltraVPN offers an easy-to-use interface. If you're new to VPNs, you'll appreciate the simplicity, but experienced users might find the lack of advanced settings a bit limiting compared to other VPNs that offer more granular control. The seventh thing to keep in mind is that UltraVPN supports torrenting, but only on certain servers. So, if P2P file sharing is important to you, make sure to check which servers support it and whether it's enough for your needs. The eighth thing is their customer support. While UltraVPN offers 24/7 live chat, the response times can sometimes be slower than competitors like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, where support is more responsive. The ninth thing to consider is compatibility. UltraVPN works with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, but it doesn't support as many devices as some other VPNs. For example, if you're looking to use it on a router or Linux, you might be out of luck. The 10th thing is their kill switch feature, which automatically disconnects you from the internet if the VPN connection drops. While this is a good safety net, some other VPNs provide more robust protection, with features like DNS leak protection built in. Next up, UltraVPN doesn't have as many advanced features for streaming as some competitors. While it can unblock popular services like Netflix, its ability to access other streaming platforms is more hit or miss compared to services like ExpressVPN, which is known for unblocking geo-restricted content. The 12th thing, UltraVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is nice if you're unsure. However, some competitors offer longer trial periods, so it's important to consider that if you're looking for a risk-free experience. So, UltraVPN can be a solid choice if you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly VPN. It offers reliable speeds, solid security, and decent coverage. But if you want something with more features and performance, you may want to consider our recommended solution, which you can try for free. Check it out in the description below.